Are you searching for a new furniture and decor for your cozy home or trying to renovate your space? With TEN49, you will come up with a one-of-a-kind look you love. TEN49 believes that a low budget can bring high quality of life. Always aim for quality, comfort, simplicity, modernity, and timeless beauty. Trying to find the perfect gift for your significant other. TEN49 hairpin legs. Bring your furniture to life and make your wife happy. Do you want your house to match your chic style? Start with a set of hairpin legs from TEN49. You can upgrade your furniture on your own with ease and elegance. Renovating a restaurant or a bar is no longer die cult. TEN49 hairpin legs are genuinely a style changer. They make your space a perfect combination of modern and vintage. It's always hard to say goodbye to your old furniture, but remember, all tabletops deserve a second chance. So does the earth. Get your set of TEN49 hairpin legs. What an economical and eco-friendly way to be trendy. TEN49 hairpin legs have literally timeless colors. Raw steel and stained black are never outdated. Multiple sizes to suit your different needs. The enhanced thickness of welding feet gives your project stronger support and makes your furniture stable than ever. So, click the Add to Cart button and check out to get ready to start a new chapter of your lifestyle. TEN49. Design beyond infinity.